What's up, TRC fans? Don't miss our annual Street Kings event at its new location, Bradenton Motorsports Park, on December 11th.
I just got a phone call that Javier told me to run outside and bring a camera, so I'm assuming he got a car. We just don't know what.
This f***ing guy, no way.
I did
Dude,
things.
did you f***ing buy a Skyline?
Maybe. There she is.
RB26.
RB26.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go launch some piss out of this or what?
Yeah, give me the f***ing keys.
I want this thing to make like 900 like right now. I know. Like, come on, go.
Alright guys, here she is in some light.
RB30.
Nice. Godzilla Motorsports.
So on the 26th, the head actually starts here. Look how much space it is now with the RB30 block.
Ready to break the dyno? 254. He guessed it on the dot. On the money.
Back and we'll thread and tap that, make sure the block's completely clean. We'll go ahead and we'll deck the block. You know, it's a standard iron block, so it's not too complicated. And before honing a block, we'll machine the threads from a 11mm thread to a 12mm thread so they can use the RB26 studs.
All right, guys, so we're here at Porting Solutions with Chris. He absolutely killed it on the RB head here. We have a bone stock port RB head, and then his post-port RB head. We'll do a back-to-back comparison. system, fuel system, all that good stuff.
So what we end up doing is instead of running 3 individual lines to the radiator, we also wanted to keep the factory radiator along with the mechanical fan. So what we did was we combined all of the coolant outlets underneath the Hypertune intake manifold into one solid pipe that runs all the way up to the OEM radiator. We have the regulator here to where we can adjust it.
So that's Peterson, I believe, right?
Yep, it's a Peterson. So we'll be able, once we get this thing fired up, we'll be able to control our oil pressure where we need it at. And once we get a lot of data collected, then we'll adjust it based off of temperature. PRP,
yeah.
So check out PRP stuff.
Got all the good.
Yep, all the PRP stuff.
Platinum Racing Product stuff.
Platinum Racing Products. We got
Shout
the
out
cam.
to Herman.
Yep, we got the cam, and then we got the crank trigger down at the bottom. We got his kit, which works out really, really well to accommodate for that flexing of the timing belt so you don't have any deviation. Coming into the car, we got all our 6 EGT thermocouple connectors coming in if you want to get in there and look, but this is our control panel to be actually monitor everything that's going to be through the ECU, where all the power is going to be coming from. Keep in mind, guys, that we're going to keep AC and everything inside this car, so we're trying to make everything fit like factory. Over there, we got our relay controller. That's what's controlling our 3 hellcat pumps that is mounted into the tank. So we got our big battery cable coming in from the battery, all our relays with fuses, 1 for each pump. The 3 hellcat pumps are actually inside of the OEM tank right now, and even the front cover and everything fits right back on there.
PHR's kit was awesome.
And keep in mind, we were able even to keep the spare tire in there, so all that stuff is still in there. So it's still gonna be a real full weight car.
Got Hypertune's 4-inch intercooler. It's made for the R32. So Andre's eating my what I've been living off of here to afford this build.
Oh yeah, yep. That's where the colors came from.
Yep. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm gonna get an Uncrustables banner here on the front. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Let's see that big smile. Drive, boys.
god, dude.
Now we got a all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive switch. Pretty sweet. So now we can do some burnouts, stage it up, launch all-wheel drive. That's it. All right, I'm going home. Y'all can stay and race. I'm gonna go home, go to sleep. Second time out.
That's sick, man. That's sick.
Second time out in the second run. Right?
Yep.
The second time out.